Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we share the latest tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how to send a suggestion to Snapchat about Pixy. Pixy is an amazing feature that allows you to add fun and interactive augmented reality effects to your snaps. If you have any suggestions to make Pixy even better, this video is for you. Let's jump right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the iconic yellow ghost icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, tap on the account icon, located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings, you'll find a gear icon. Tap on it to access the Snapchat settings menu. Step 4. Within the settings menu, look for the I have a suggestion option. Tap on it to share your valuable suggestions with the Snapchat team. Step 5. Now, you'll see various topics to choose from. Tap on Pixy to specifically address your suggestion regarding this exciting augmented reality feature. Step 6. Write a specific report detailing your suggestion. Be as detailed as possible, explaining the feature you'd like to see or any improvements you suggest for Pixy. Your feedback is essential in shaping the future of this feature. Step 7. If you have visual examples or references to support your suggestion, you can add attachments such as pictures. Simply tap on Add Attachments and select the appropriate files. By following these steps, you can easily send your valuable suggestions to Snapchat about Pixy, contributing to the app's continuous improvement and enhancing the overall user experience with augmented reality effects. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.